I want to ask Honorable Mheshimiwa who appeared before us, Murathe, that you are aware that you are guaranteeing a supply of 450,000 personal protective equipments worth 4 billion shillings?
No.
Repeat your question, Rashid. What were you asking?
You are guaranteeing payment or supply of 450,000 PPEs worth 4 billion shillings?
No.
What were you guaranteeing?
This specific consignment of 50,000 pieces, which NTEC had, which NTEC was willing to give to Kilik, for Kilik to take to KEMSA. And I said, if you deliver to KEMSA on behalf of Kilik, and they get paid as Kilik, I will assure you, these guys will pay your money.
What was the worth of that payment?
What was
What was the worth of?
I don't know.
You are not aware?
I am not aware.
Of the value?
No.
Of that quantity which you are guaranteeing?
No.
You are not aware?
I'm not.
So you guaranteed an arbitrary amount of money for payment to be done by KEMSA on behalf of Kilik?
For KEMSA to pay Kilik?
Yes.
And I'm telling NTEC,
yes,
give them. If they take and they are paid, I assure you, you'll be paid.
So you are assuring NTEC?
That's what happens among friends. I thought you were a Somali. You do it without any writing.
No,
they do. That's how they do business.
No.
That's how they do their business. Can you confirm or deny? You do business on the basis of a handshake.
No.
Honorable,
switch off your microphone.
Manner of the man and the person of Honorable Murathe. The fact that you are calling me a Somali, I'm a Kenyan, my friend.
Which is okay. He's not out of order. Even somebody can say a Luo.
Don't take it out of context. I'm telling you, I'm aware of how Somalis do business. They do it on the basis of a handshake. They don't even sign anything.
No, actually, you're wrong.
Chair, I think you're getting out of a...
Honorable Murathe, Honorable Rashid.
Chair, I think Honorable Rashid is being political.
Babu. No.
I think he never supplied, Chair.
Honorable Owino. Just Honorable Murathe. I take it with concern, and this is not the first time that this has happened. When we need to remove this culture. If Honorable Rashid has felt offended that you mentioned him by his tribe, it is only right for you to withdraw that you did not have.
Are you offended?
Yes.
And now that he has told you that he is offended, Honorable Murathe, you represent a national party. Forget about anything else.
I'm sorry.
Thank you very much.
Because I was taking the context that I have a lot of Somali friends, people of Somali nationality, and they come to me and they tell me the way we do business is never even written anywhere, anything. It is on the basis of a handshake and trust.
Okay. Now, I also need to advise you.
But Chair, we should not be emotional. We are politicians.
Honorable Babu. Honorable Babu.
Let me continue. I've agreed with apology.
Thank you very much, Rashid. You will continue on your line of questioning.
So I'm asking, what was your tech? Your businessman? You guaranteed supply and payment of both from NTEC and Kelly. What was your stake or benefit as per the transactions which was to undertake between Kelly and KEMSA?
Zero. And in any case, there was no delivery.